Alright, so today we got a 2002 Volkswagen Passat that's got a pretty nasty oil leak. And this is the V6. It looks like the oil pan has a crack in it. The guy said this is like his third oil pan that he has cracked. I can see some scraping right there. Definitely hit something, but that's dry. At least there it is. Something's got to be cracked over here because there's a trail of oil running down to the drain plug since I've got it up on the jack stand. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut our sway bar bolts loose here, and over there and there. They look like they're 12 millimeter, and this sway bar should come down. I do believe that there doesn't look like there's a bracket on there anymore. Nope. All right, and then we're just going to cut our oil pan loose after we drain all our oil out, and when I get to that point I will come back. Okay, so I got my sway bar down, and I stand corrected. Those nuts that are on here are a 13 millimeter. They look like a 12, but yeah, the bar is not going to come all the way down. It will hang down far enough for you to get the back bolts out of the oil pan. So I'm getting ready to drain my oil now, and I'll start taking these pan bolts loose, and I'll be back. Alright, now I've got the oil pan out of here, and if we look carefully, we can see there's a crack right there. I don't know if that's going to focus in. Come on, camera, focus in there. But anyway, there's a hairline crack right there. You can feel a ridge on it. So that is where our leak was coming from. The inside of the pan. That's what it looks like. Nothing major. It does have a gasket, and the gasket does come with some RTV sealer. So I'm going to put the new one back in here, and I'll be back once I've got it in. Oh, and these bolts that hold it in here, these are a 10 millimeter. I think there's 21 of them. So I'm going to get the new pan in, and I'll be back. Alright, got the new pan in here, new gasket, and the only thing I got left to do is to put the sway bar bushing brackets back in, and I'm going to go ahead and change the oil filter while I'm down here, and that should be it. So if this helped you out anyway, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with some more.